So I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the MightySkins and the skin that I got for my Alienware M15 R7. This is the first one that came. This is the Skin It, and as you can see, it's not even the proper skin. This was like $39, I believe, so say 40 bucks. This was $48 for all this. This is probably for the inside where the keyboard and mouse is. It even has this, and they have an install video. So if you guys want to see how it gets installed, I'm not going to do it, but I'll put links to videos which shows you the installation. And here's the bottom of the skin, and to me they feel the same. See, look at that, 3M. The bottom of this is also 3M, but here is the proper top cover skin. See that? This is for where the Alienware head is, and wait, what? No, there is none. And see, that fits right along to where the back goes, where I don't know what the hell this is. I don't even know which laptop this is for, but it clearly is not for the Alienware M15. Skin it. Get your act together. And it's been more than 2 weeks, actually 3 weeks now, almost 3 weeks, and they still have not responded to my submit forms. And I sent 3 submit forms on their website, so I finally had to go to Amazon, and Amazon said they were supposed to send me a return label, but they didn't. So I had to try to print out my own. Since I don't have a copier, I had to go all the way over to my brother's house and borrow his printer to get a return label printed out, or else I would have had to go pay for one, which is not good, again, on Skinit's part. And Skinit is in San Diego, so if I ever do come by their address, I feel like just going to their front door and just go, hey man, you guys give me the wrong skin. But whatever. So $40 for that, and it's the damn wrong skin. And then $48 for this with the proper skin, with the top, the inside, and the bottom cover. You guys tell me which is the better buy. So that is it for now. The next video you guys will see on these skins will probably be installed already on my Alienware M15 R7. Okay guys, so here it is fully installed, starting from the bottom. The bottom was, I thought, was going to be kind of easy. It seemed like it installed pretty easy because I followed the armor suit instructions, but in the end, when I started like going through it and flattening it out, you can see a little bit of like creases right here from the air bubbles. And it's a good thing this is the bottom, because you won't really see it as much, right? You're not going to really see the bottom. The alignment of the skin is not really as precise, but overall I'm pretty happy. You'll see what I mean as we go through the rest of the laptop. But there are some things with MightySkin that it wasn't as precise, and some of this I could have probably overstretched it too. So be gentle when you're removing this bottom cover right here. And that is the bottom cover of this MightySkins Alienware M15. Again guys, I want to apologize if I didn't show you the installation, but if I was trying to film the installation and doing the actual installation at the same time, I probably would have messed up a lot more. MightySkins right here has this QR code that you scan, but what happens when you scan it is it'll say video unavailable or something like that. So I had to do a YouTube search for it. I just typed out MightySkins Alienware M15 R7 skin installation, and then it took me to their installation video, but it was for the X14. But they were saying that whatever steps they were using to install it on the X14 applies to all the other Alienwares. And so I watched that, and I also watched the armor suit video because they had a very good video on the installation, which was probably, even though it was just music playing, it was more detailed. It had the instructions on screen, step-by-step instructions. And so here's the bottom again. And this skin is called Carbon Fiber Modern Hex. Now let's look at the top. Okay, so here is the top, and as you guys can see, I got the what they tell you to do on both of the videos from Armor Suit and MightySkins is to align the Alienware head. And if you align the Alienware head, then it should be no problem, you know, getting the rest of the top cover aligned, right, or installed. But see, check this out. Right here, and then going to right here, there's like, it's not precise. This is what I mean. They don't, MightySkins is really nice. They have very good skins, but they don't have the precision cutouts that someone like a D brand would have. And I wish D brand would have made skins for these Alienware laptops, but they don't anymore. I think they make it for certain Dell laptops. I think the XPS line. I could be wrong. And same thing here on the back top cover. As you guys can see. Now let's just go all around. But all in all, it's pretty nice. I like it. And then that leaves us with the inside where the keyboard deck is. And that's the remaining leftover skin right here. And this one was by far the easiest. Just line up the mouse or trackpad and you're good to go. One more thing though. Remember, before you begin the installation, wipe down your Alienware laptop. Make sure it's free of grease and grime, any dust and things like that. I use some disinfectant wipes to wipe it down before I started installing the skin. And so there is the keyboard deck right there. And one more time, here is the top cover with the Alienware head. And so if Skinit would have sent me the proper skin, this is all I would have had, was the top cover and nothing else. And that was for $39, I believe. With MightySkins for like $10 more, $48, less than $9 more. You're getting a full coverage. You're getting the top, as you guys can see. You get the keyboard deck, and you also get the bottom cover right there. So that is it for this video. Once again, I apologize if I didn't show you guys the actual installation, because if I did, number one, this video would have taken a lot longer, and number two, I would have most likely messed up the installation trying to do it for you guys on video. And they already have pretty good installation videos, or good installation videos from MightySkins and also Armor Suit, that I will put the links in the description down below. And that is that. If you guys have found this video helpful, and informative or entertaining, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon in the next video.